Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, welcome back. Today there's no cooking. I'm reviewing my latest bit of kit. The Unity XL barbecue station is the largest of two models. The small one has been out of stock at most outlets for quite some time now, so when I found the XL available, I ordered it, and it arrived within a few days. It came flat packed and took about 40 minutes to assemble. Most components just snapped together. However, there are a few screws involved, and an electric screwdriver would have been a very useful tool to have. The advantage of having a barbecue station is that you can get everything outside before you start cooking, so you aren't constantly running to and from the kitchen. The Unity is made from a polypropylene material with a wood grain finish, and the colour is espresso brown. Two of the feet have very discreet wheels for easy movement, and the other two have adjusters to ensure everything is steady on uneven surfaces. The worktop is stainless steel, which is ideal for food preparation and is very easy to clean down and sanitize. At the one end is a handy tray and kitchen roll holder, and the tray holds all of those items which are nice to have to hand when you're prepping food and cooking at the barbecue. The opposite end is a bar on which to hang barbecue tools. 4 hooks are supplied. Beneath the worktop, this cupboard offers generous amount of storage space. I do intend to get some boxes to fit in here and keep all of my accessories a little bit more tidy. If you have a charcoal barbecue, then here's just the place to keep the charcoal. So to sum up, the Unity XL is sturdy, easy to assemble, designed to be left outdoors, although I will be getting a cover. It offers generous storage space and makes the ideal place for preparing and serving food at the barbecue. I would like to say that the views and opinions in this video are my own. I do not receive any form of sponsorship or payment. There is one very useful tool that it comes with: a bottle opener. Cheers everyone. If you found this video useful, then please sub the channel. All you have to do is click the button and ding the bell. Oh, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now, if there's more you'd like to know about the Unity XL, please leave your questions in the comment section below. Well, that's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.